Hello dear students, in the last session we studied chapter 1 example sums. Now we are going to see exercise 1.1. See the first sum, find A cross B, A cross A and B cross A. Here the questions is given. The first question is A is equal to, the set A is equal to 2, minus 2, 3 and the set B is equal to 1, minus 4. Here we have to find A cross B, A cross A and B cross A. See first we write A cross B. Already we know that we write the elements in the Cartesian product in ordered pair. See here, first we take the first element from A with first element from B. Right, we can write 2, 1. Then we take first element from A and with the second element from B, 2, minus 4. Like this we take second element from A with the first element from 1. We write minus 2, 1. Then second element from A with the second element from B, 2, minus 2, minus 4. Then we take third element from the set A with the first element from the set B. Then we take third element from the set A with the second element with the set B. This is A cross B. Next we have to find A cross A. We take the set 2, minus 2, 3 cross 2, minus 2, 3. Now we write the ordered pair. First we take 2 with 2, 2, 2, minus 2. Then 2, minus 3. Then we take the second element from A, first element from B. Minus 2, 2. Then minus 2, minus 2. Then minus 2, 3. Then we take third element from A. 3, 2. Then 3, minus 2. Then 3, 3. This is A cross A. Next we have to find B cross A. First we write the set B. What is that B? 1, minus 4 cross, what is the set A? 2, minus 2, 3. Yes. First we take the element from B, first element from B with the first element from A. Here we have to write 1, 2. We take first element with second element. 1, minus 2. First element with the third element. 1, 3. Then we take second element from B with the first element from A. Minus 4, 2. Minus 4, minus 2. Then we write minus 4, 3. This is B cross A. Here, now you move to second sum. A is equal to B equal to P, Q. Here the set A and B both are equal. What is the element in the set and B? P, Q. Here we have to find first one A cross B. What is the element in A? P, Q. Cross, what is the element in B? P, Q. Now we find A cross B. What is this? P, P. Then P, Q, then Q, P, then Q, Q. This is A cross B. You have to find second one, A cross A. What is the element in A? P, Q. Then the element A is P, Q. Next we have to find A cross A. What is the set A? P, Q cross P, Q. Now we find the answer. What is this? P, P, then P, Q, then Q, P, then we take Q, Q. Next we have to find B cross A. So first we write the set B. Here A and B are equal, so all the answer will be equal. So what is this? P, Q cross P, Q. We take the answer as P, 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 Q, then Q, P, then Q, Q. This is, see here, A cross B, A cross A, B cross A. All the elements in the sets are equal, because here the sets A and B are equal. A is equal to m comma n comma B is given empty set. Here we have to find first A cross B. The set A is m comma n cross the set B is given empty set. So we write. Now here the sets A and B are two non-empty set. We can do the Cartesian product, otherwise we cannot do. Here the set B is empty set, so A cross B is empty set. That's the same thing, A cross A. What is A? M comma n cross what is A is m cross n. Now we write m comma m, m comma n, n comma m, then n comma n. This is A cross A. Next B cross A. Here the set B is empty set, cross A is m comma n, so the answer is empty set. Yes, the second sum is, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3. The set A is given, the set B is equal to x such that x is a prime number less than 10. Here the set A is given directly, but the set B is given in set builder form. Here we have to find the element of B. Then we have to find A cross B and B cross A. See here, what is given? The set A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Here the set B is x such that x is a prime number less than 10. First we write the number less than 10. We write the natural number less than 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For these numbers we take only the prime number. From these numbers we take only the prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? 2. A prime number is nothing but it has only two factor. One factor is 1 and another factor is number itself, the same number. Here 2 is the prime number and 3, 5, 7. These are prime numbers. Now the set B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Here we have to find first one, A cross B. First we write the set A, 1, 2, 3 cross the set B is 2, 3, 5, 7. Now we find A cross B. First we write 1, 2, then 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, here 2, 2, then 2, 3, then 2, 5, then 2, 7. Then we take third element from the set, first element from the set B, then 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7. This is A cross B. Next we find B cross A. Here first the set is B, so we write the first the elements of the set B, 2, 3, 5, 7 cross what is the set A, 1, 2, 3. Now we find B cross A. We write in ordered pair. First we take 2 with 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Then 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 5. Then we take 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3. Then we take 7, 1, 7, 2, 7, 3. This is B cross A. See the third sum. If B cross A is equal to minus 2, 3, minus 2, 4, 0, 3, 0, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4 is given. Here we have to find the element in the set A and B. See here, Cartesian product is given. We have to find the elements in the set A and B. Here the first set is B. So from this ordered pair, the first element of the ordered pair belongs to B, and the second element of the ordered pair belongs to the set A. See here the first set is B and the second set is A. So here we write the elements in A. We take the second element of the ordered pair. Here what is the second element? Second coordinate 3, comma here 4. Again we have 3. We write only one time. So don't be repeated. Next 4. Again with 3, 4. So therefore the elements in the set A is 3, 4. Then the elements in the set B is, here the set B is first one. So the first coordinate of all the elements belongs to the set B. Here the first element is -2. Here also -2. Already we write. So we move to the next ordered pair 0, comma here also 0. Here the number is 3. Here the number is 3. So this is the element A and B. The set A is 3, 4. The set B is -2, 0, 3. We see the fourth sum. If the set A is given 5, 6, B is equal to 4, 5, 6, C is equal to 5, 6, 7. Here we have to show that A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. First we take the left hand side. A cross A. What is the set A? 5, 6. Cross again we take the set A 5, 6. Yes, what is the Cartesian product? We write in the ordered pair. First we take the first element with the first element, then first element with the second element, then second element with the first element, then second element with the second element. This is A cross A. Then what is RHS? B cross B intersection C cross C. From this first we find B cross B. What is B? 4, 5, 6 cross again 4, 5, 6. Now we write B cross B. We take the first element 4, 4, then 4, 5, then 4, 6. Next we take 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Then we take the third element with the first element 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. This is B cross B. Then we can find C cross C. What is C? 5, 6, 7. Cross 5, 6, 7. Here. Next we find C cross C is equal to, what is C? 5, 6, 7 cross 5, 6, 7. Now we write in ordered pair. First we take 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 7. Then we take 6, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7. Next we take the 7, 5, 7, 6, 7, 7. This is C cross C. Now we take intersection of these two sets. Here we have to find B cross B intersection C cross C. Intersection means we write only the common element in the set B cross B and the set C cross C. Here what are the common elements? See here in that B cross B 4, 4, but there is no 4, 4 in C cross C. 4, 5, there is no 4, 5, 4, 6, there is no 4, 6. Here in the set B cross B we have 5, 4, there is no 5, 4 here. Here 5, 5. So in the set C cross C we have 5, 5. So we write the common elements 5, 5. Then here we have 5, 6. Here also we have 5, 6. Then in the set 6, 4 there is no 6, 4. Here we have 6, 5. Here also 6, 5. So we write 6, 5. Then here we have 6, 6. Here also we have 6, 6. So this is the elements in the set B cross B intersection C cross C. See here take the left hand side. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. From these two equations 1 and 2, the elements are equal. So LHS is equal to RHS. So A cross, what is a left hand side? A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. Show that. Show. Next, move on. Fifth sum. Given set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, set B is equal to 2, 3, 5, set C is equal to 3, 4, and the set D is equal to 1, 3, 5. Here we check A intersection C cross B intersection D is equal to A cross B intersection C cross D. Yes, first we take the left hand side, that is A intersection C cross B intersection D. From the left hand side, first we find A cross C. What is the set A? 1, 2, 3. The set C is intersection. The set 3 is 3, 4. Intersection means we take only the common element. So here the common element is 3. We write 3. Then we find B intersection D. What is the set B? 2, 3, 5. Intersection D is 1, 3, 5. Now we write the common element. Here 2 in the set B but not in the set D. Here 3 in the set B and D. So this is the common element 3, 5 in the both set. So 3, 5 is B intersection D. Now we find the cross product of these two sets, that is A intersection C cross B intersection D is equal to, what is A intersection C? We find 3 cross B intersection D is 3, 5. Now we find the cross product. What is this? 3, 3, then 3, 5. This is equation number 1. Yes. Now let us take the right hand side, A cross B intersection C cross D. So here first we have to find A cross B. First we write the set A 1, 2, 3 cross the set B 2, 3, 5. So now we write in ordered pair. First we take 1, 2, then 1, 3, 1, 5, then we take 2, 2, 2, 3, then 2, 5. Then we take 3, 2, 3, 3, then 3, 5. Next we find C cross D. What is the set C? 3, 4. The set D is 1, 3, 5. We write in ordered pair. First we write 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5. Then we take 4, 1, 4, 3, 4, 5. Now we take intersection of A cross B intersection C cross D is equal to, intersection means we take only the common element. See this A cross B, we have 1, 2, there is no 1, 2 in C cross D, so we won't write. Then 1, 3 we have in A cross B, but there is no 1, 3 in C cross D. 1, 5 also there is no common element. Then 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5. Then here we take 3, 2. There is no 3, 2. Here we have 3, 3. In this set C cross D also we have 3, 3. So this is the common element 3, 3. Then we take 3, 5. Here also we have 3, 5. So 3, 5. These two elements is common in both sets. This is equation number 2. See here, this left hand side is equation number 1. This right hand side is equation number 2. From this left hand side we have the element 3, 3 and 3, 5. In right hand side also 3, 3 and 3, 5. So from equation 1 and 2, left hand side is equal to right hand side. That is, therefore, A intersection C cross B intersection D is equal to A cross B intersection C cross D. Hence verified. Now we see the sixth sum. In the sixth sum, totally we have 3 sums. First 2 sums are homework. The first 2 sums, see the example sum 1.3. அதே மாடல்ல இருக்கு. அந்த sum நீங்க ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. Now we see the third sum. See here, set A is given in the set built-up form. So first we find the elements in the set A, then the elements in the set B. The set C is given. So first we find A. What is A? X belongs to whole number. X ஒரு whole number. அதனோட value எப்படி இருக்குன்னா less than 2. So the whole number starts from 0, 1. Less than 2 means we won't take 2. Less than or equal to 2 means we take 2. But here less than 2. So we take 0, 1. What is the set B? X belongs to natural number. X is a natural number. The interval is given. The natural number is greater than 2 and up to we take 4. That is 1 less than x means we won't take 1. So what is the next number of 1? 2, 3. Here x less than or equal to 4. So we take the number 4. So what is the set C? 3, 5. This is the set A, set B, set C. In the set A, B, C வச்சு first 2 sums homework. Example 1.3 பாருங்க. அதே மாடல்ல இருக்க first 2 sums homework. Now we see the third sum, A union B cross C. First we take left hand side, A union B cross C. From this first we have to find A union B. What is the set A? 0, 1 union 2, 3, 4. Now we take union. Union means we write all the elements combined together. What is this? 0, here 1, here 2, 3, 4. We write all the elements in the set A and the set B. That is A union B. Now A union B cross C. What is A union B? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross the set C is 3, 5. Now we write in ordered pair. How to write? 0, 3, then 0, 5. Then 1, 3 and 1, 5. Then we take 2. 2, 3, then 2, 5. Then take 3, 3, 3, 5. Then we take 4, 3 and 4, 5. This is equation number 1. Next we take right hand side. What is right hand side? A cross C union B cross C. See here, first we find A cross C. What is the element in A? 0, 1 cross C. What is the element in C? 3, 5. Now we write in ordered pair. 0, 3, 0, 5. Then 1, 3, 1, 5. Next we find B cross C. What is the element in B? 2, 3, 4 cross the element in C 3, 5. I write 2, 3, then 2, 5. Then 3, 3, 3, 5. Then we take 4, 3 and 4, 5. Now we take union of A cross C and B cross C is equal to, union means we write the elements in both the sets A cross C and B cross C. If any element repeated, we write only 1 times. Here 0, 3, 0, 5, 1, 3, 1, 5. Here we write 2, 3, then 2, 5, then 3, 3, 3, 5, 4, 3 and 4, 5. This is equation number 2. See the equation number 1 is left hand side, equation number 2 is right hand side. See all the elements in the equation 1 and all the elements in equation 2 are equal. So from this equation 1 and 2, left hand side is equal to right hand side. That is A union B cross C is equal to A cross C union B cross C. Hence verified. Hence verified. Next we see the 7th sum. The sets given in descriptive form. So find the elements in the set A. See here, set A is equal to set of all natural number less than 8. The natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Less than 8 means we take up to 7. Then the set B is the set of all prime numbers less than 8. See here the numbers less than 8. What are the prime numbers from these numbers? 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. Then C is equal to set of even prime number. There is only one prime number, only one even prime number, that is 2. 2 is only the even prime number. Then all the other prime numbers are odd prime numbers. So only 2 is the even prime number. Now the set A, B, C. Here we have to verify that A intersection B cross C is equal to A cross C intersection B cross C. First we take left hand side A intersection B cross C. Here first we have to find A cross A intersection B. What is the set A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Intersection 2, 3, 5, 7. Intersection means we take only the common element 2, 3, 5, 7. This is only the common element. So 2, 3, 5, 7. Now A intersection B cross C. What is A intersection C? B. 2, 3, 5, 7 cross the set C is, what is the set C? 2. Now we write in the ordered pair. See here 2, 2, that is A intersection B cross C is equal to, first we take 2, 2, then 3, 2, then 5, 2, then 7, 2. This is equation number 1. Now we take the right hand side A cross C intersection B cross C. First we find A cross C. What is A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross the set C is 2. Now we write in the ordered pair 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, then 7, 2. Next we find B cross C. What is the set B? 2, 3, 5, 7 cross the set C is 2. Now we write 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2. Now we take intersection of these two sets, that is A cross C intersection B cross D. We take only the common elements. In that set A cross C we have 1, 2, but there is no 1, 2 in B cross C, so we won't write. Then 2, 2 is a common element. We write 2, 2. Then 3, 2 is a common element. Then 4, 2 there is no common element. 5, 2. Then 7, 2. These are the common elements. So this is equation number 2. See the equation number 1 and the equation number 2, both we have the same element. So from equation 1 and 2, left hand side is equal to right hand side, that is A intersection B cross C is equal to A cross C intersection B cross C. Hence verified. Yes, 7th Roman la, 7th sum la second subdivision, A cross B difference C is equal to A cross B minus A cross C. Now we verify these sets. So set A, set B, set C are the same. Here we have to verify this one. First we take the left hand side, A cross B minus C. For here, first we find B difference C. First we write the set B. What is the set? 2, 3, 5, 7. Difference. What is the set C? 2. Difference means here B difference C means the elements only in the set B, not in C. See here, the elements 2 in the set B also in the set C. So we won't write these 2. Other than 2, 2 only the common element. Other than 2, 3, 5, 7 only in the set B. So we write 3, 5, 7. Now A cross B difference C is equal to, what is the set? A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cross B difference C is 3, 5, 7. Now we write in ordered pair. What we have? 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. Next 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. Next 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7. Next 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7. Next 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7. Next 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7. Next we write 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 7. This is equation number 1. Next we take right hand side, A cross B minus A cross C. First we find A cross B. What is the set A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cross. The set B is 2, 3, 5, 7. Now we find the product. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. Then 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. Then we take 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7. Next 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7. Next 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7. Next we take 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7. Next we take 7, 2, 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 7. Next we find A cross C. What is the sets in A? Elements in A? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The element in C is only 2. Now we find the cross product. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2. Now we find the difference between A cross B and A cross C. What is the difference? The elements only in the set A cross B. If you have any common element, you strike out, then you write the remaining elements in A cross B. See here, 1, 2, here also 1, 2, so you won't write 1, 2. We won't write 1, 2. Here 2, 2, here also 2, 2, we won't write. 3, 2, we won't write. Then 4, 2, then 5, 2, then 6, 2, then 7, 2. See, the remaining elements in the set A cross B is A cross B difference A cross C is equal to, we write the remaining element. So what is this? 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, then 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7, then 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7, then 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7, then we write 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7, then 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 7. This is equation number 2. So this is equation number 2. See here, from this equation number 1 and the equation number 2, all the elements are equal. So from equation 1 and 2, left hand side is equal to right hand side. That is A cross B difference C is equal to A cross B difference A cross C. Hence verified. Thank you students. Next class we will see exercise 1.2.